Welcome to the great outdoors, bench building time. Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Ready to add some rustic charm to your outdoor space? Today, we're embarking on a fun and fulfilling project, building a beautiful outdoor bench using recycled materials. That's right, we're giving new life to old things. It's amazing what you can create with a little imagination. Not only will this project spruce up your backyard or patio, but it also aligns with our love for the environment. By using recycled materials, we're reducing waste and keeping those materials out of landfills. Plus, we get to save some money and create something truly unique. Imagine relaxing on your very own handcrafted bench, soaking up the sunshine, and enjoying the fruits of your labor. This is about more than just building a bench. It's about creating a cozy corner that reflects your personality and love for sustainable living. So gather your tools, put on your creative caps, and let's dive into this exciting DIY adventure together. Now, let's talk about the fun part, sourcing our building materials. The beauty of this project is that you can use a variety of recycled items found right in your home or neighborhood. Think outside the box. Old wooden pallets are fantastic for the bench's structure. Check local businesses or online marketplaces for free or inexpensive pallets. Reclaimed wood from old furniture, fences, or construction sites adds character and charm. Don't forget about metal scraps. Metal pipes or bars can be used for the legs or as decorative elements. You can find these at scrapyards or salvage stores. Get creative with your sourcing. You'll be amazed at what treasures you can uncover. Remember, safety first. Always wear gloves and protective gear when handling recycled materials. Inspect everything thoroughly for any nails, screws, or sharp edges. With a little caution, you'll be ready to transform those recycled finds into a beautiful bench. Before we grab our tools, let's plan our bench design. Consider your available space and how many people you want it to seat. A standard bench is around 4 to 6 feet long, but you can customize it to fit your needs. Do you envision a classic straight bench, a cozy L-shaped design, or a charming curved bench? Sketch out your ideas on paper to visualize the final product. This is your chance to get creative and personalize your bench. Think about the style you want to achieve. Do you prefer a rustic farmhouse look, a modern industrial vibe, or a whimsical eclectic feel? The materials you choose and the finishes you apply will help you achieve your desired aesthetic. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers here. It's all about creating a bench that reflects your personal style and complements your outdoor space. So let your imagination run wild and design a bench that you'll love for years to come. All right, we've gathered our recycled treasures and finalized our design. Now it's time to give those materials some TLC before the real building begins. First things first, let's give everything a good clean. Use a stiff brush, soapy water, and a little elbow grease to remove dirt, grime, or loose paint. For stubborn stains or rust, try using a mixture of vinegar and baking soda. Once everything is clean and dry, inspect your materials again for any protruding nails or staples. Remove them carefully using a hammer or pliers. Safety is key, friends. If you're working with wood, you might want to sand down any rough edges or splinters. A smooth surface will not only look better but also prevent any unwanted injuries. Remember, we want this project to be fun and safe. Section 5. Building the bench base. Strong and sturdy. With our materials prepped and ready to go, it's time to start building the foundation of our bench, the base. This is what will give our bench the strength and stability it needs. If you're using wooden pallets, you can often use them as is for the base. Simply stack 2 pallets on top of each other for extra height and secure them together using screws and wood glue. Make sure those screws are long enough to go through both pallets. For a more customized look, you can disassemble the pallets and use the individual planks to create a unique base design. Get creative with the arrangement of the planks, using different lengths and widths to add visual interest. Remember to measure twice and cut once. Accuracy is crucial here to ensure that your bench is level and sturdy. Use a level throughout the building process to check for any inconsistencies. Section 6. Attaching the seat. Time to sit and relax. With our sturdy base complete, it's time for the most satisfying part, adding the seat. This is where our bench starts to take shape and become the inviting piece we envisioned. If you're using pallet wood, you can lay the planks directly across the base, securing them with screws from below. For a more polished look, Consider using reclaimed wood boards or even composite decking material for the seat. Use a combination of screws and wood glue to attach the seat planks to the base. Make sure the screws are countersunk to create a smooth surface. We don't want any snags on our clothes. Before attaching all the seat planks, double-check the spacing between each one. You want to ensure there are no large gaps where someone might get their fingers pinched. Section 7, Sanding and Smoothing. A little polish goes a long way. Our bench is almost complete. Now it's time to give it a little love and attention to detail. This is where the magic of sanding comes in. Grab your sandpaper and start smoothing out any rough edges, splinters, or imperfections. Start with a coarser grit sandpaper and gradually move to a finer grit for a silky smooth finish. Pay close attention to the areas where people will be sitting or resting their hands. We want to make sure our bench is not only beautiful, but comfortable too. Sanding might seem tedious, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. A smooth surface will not only look and feel better, but it will also allow your chosen finish to adhere more evenly. Section 8. Adding your personal style, paint, stain, or natural beauty. Now comes the fun part, adding your personal touch. This is where you can let your creativity shine and transform your bench into a reflection of your unique style. A fresh coat of paint can instantly brighten up your outdoor space and give your bench a pop of color. Choose a color that complements your existing outdoor decor or go bold with a contrasting hue. If you prefer a more natural look, consider using a wood stain to enhance the beauty of the wood grain. Stains come in a variety of shades, from light and airy to rich and warm. For a truly rustic and weathered look, embrace the natural patina of the recycled materials. Simply apply a clear sealant to protect the wood from the elements and let its natural beauty shine through. Section 9. Showcasing your upcycled masterpiece. Finding the perfect spot. Congratulations! You've officially transformed recycled materials into a beautiful and functional outdoor bench. Now it's time to find the perfect spot to showcase your upcycled masterpiece. Place your bench under a shady tree for a peaceful reading nook. Position it near your garden to enjoy the fragrant blooms. Or create a cozy conversation area on your patio. Add some comfortable cushions and throw pillows to make your bench extra inviting. Drape a cozy throw blanket over the back for chilly evenings. Don't forget to add some personal touches like potted plants, lanterns, or decorative accents. Your upcycled bench is not just a place to sit, it's a testament to your creativity and commitment to sustainability. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Section 10. Benefits of upcycling. Good for the planet, good for you. By choosing to upcycle and give new life to old materials, you've made a conscious decision to reduce waste and minimize your environmental footprint. And that, my friends, is something to be proud of. Upcycling conserves natural resources by reducing the demand for new materials. It also helps to decrease the amount of waste that ends up in landfills, which are major contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. But the benefits of upcycling go beyond the environment. It's also a great way to save money and unleash your creativity. By transforming discarded items into something new and beautiful, you're not only helping the planet, but you're also adding a unique and personal touch to your home. So the next time you're about to toss something out, take a moment to consider its upcycling potential. You might be surprised at what you can create with a little imagination and some DIY spirit. Section 11. Get creative, get building, get inspired. I hope this DIY adventure has inspired you to embrace the beauty of upcycling and create your very own recycled outdoor bench. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to using reclaimed materials. Don't be afraid to experiment with different designs, materials, and finishes. Let your creativity run wild and have fun with the process. The most important thing is to create something that you love and that brings joy to your outdoor space. Share your upcycled creations with the world. Post pictures of your bench on social media and tag me. I would love to see your unique and inspiring projects. Happy building!